Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Juan. Today, we're delving into the world of Tilray Brands Incorporated, a company that's been making waves in the cannabis industry. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all things finance and investing. Background. Host, Tilray Brands Incorporated, a key player in the cannabis sector, has been catching the attention of investors. Let's take a closer look at where Tilray stands today and what potential lies ahead for its stock. Share price analysis. Host, as of current date, Tilray Brands Incorporated is trading at current share price. It's essential to keep in mind that stock prices can be highly volatile, so staying informed with the latest data is crucial. Always do your own research and consider consulting with a financial advisor before making investment decisions. Chart analysis. Host, now, let's analyze the recent price movements. Display and analyze relevant charts on screen. Host, by examining the charts, we can identify trends and potential patterns that might impact the stock's performance. However, remember that past performance is not always indicative of future results. Future targets. Host, what about the future targets for Tilray Brands Incorporated? Analysts are suggesting, mention any current analyst predictions or price targets. But, keep in mind that these are projections, and actual market performance may vary. Recent developments. Host, recent news and developments within Tilray Brands Incorporated could significantly influence its stock performance. Whether it's regulatory changes, partnerships, or expansion plans, staying updated is crucial to understanding the company's trajectory. Conclusion. Host, in conclusion, Tilray Brands Incorporated is a company with a strong presence in the cannabis industry. While it shows promise, investing always involves risks. Stay informed with the latest news, conduct thorough research, and assess your risk tolerance before making any investment decisions. Host, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow investors, and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.